Good morning, students. In this class, we will discuss about models. In previous class, we have also discussed about some models, and rest of them we will discuss now. Next one is should. Should. This is the past tense form of shall. Shall, and in past tense form, we will use should. Should is used in indirect speech. Indirect speech. If any sentence to be written in indirect speech, and in direct speech there is a modal shall, when we convert this in indirect there will be use of should. After that, to express moral duty. Moral duty. Whenever we express moral duty, for example, we should respect our we should respect our elders. Next one is to express obligation. To express obligation. Obligation, it means that responsibility and accountability. Responsibility and accountability. In this condition that we can use should. For example, we should obey the we should help the needy. We should help the needy. This is our moral duty. This is our obligation that we respect to every needy person. After that, to express duty. To express duty. For example, we should obey our parents. We should obey our parents. In other words, we can say that you should do this work. It means the work you should do, that this is also your ethical duty, this is your obligation that you must do. Next one is mild command. To express mild command. Any command, any order that not stronger, that in this condition we can use should. After that, to express probability. To express probability, it means possibility. Whenever there is the possibility, there is a probability that we can use should. For example, he should be 30. He should be 30. It means this is also the probability and assumption. Probability and assumption या presumption. presumption and assumption and probability, that we can use modal should. Next one, to express surprise, to express surprise. For example, he should top the exam. It means there is also surprise. It means he should, yeah, as I found the result of him, I should surprise to see the name of him. In this condition, that we can use modal should. These are the basic uses of should. After that, lest. With the word of lest, should always used with lest. Lest means that it is also used in conditional sentence. Conditional sentence, and that express fear. For example, work hard, lest you should fail. It means this sentence is conditional because there is the condition. Condition is work hard, lest it means it show fear, otherwise you should fail. Next one, move fast, lest you should miss the bus. It means there is also condition. If you move in the same speed, that you should miss the bus. In this condition, that we can use modal should. After that, next one is would. Next one is would. Past tense form of will. Would is the past tense of will, and would is used in indirect speech. In direct speech, any sentence that we convert from direct to indirect, there we can use would at the place of the will. Next one, to express polite request, and command. In any sentence we express a sense of polite request, that in the same we will use modal would. For example, would you help him? Would you help him? There is also a polite request for the help of anyone. After that, with rather. In the modal should, with the modal should, there also a word that is the signal word. It was lest, and in modal would, that there also a word that is rather. It means preference, where there is the preference, that we can also use rather. For example, there are so many examples in the rather. I would die. I would die rather than beg. Beg या begging